Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable 3-finger screenshot in your phone Moto G04. First of all, try to take a screenshot with 3 fingers touch and hold on your screen. It's not working because the settings is not turned on. You got to enable 3-finger screenshot. What you got to do is go to the settings of our phone first, then go to display. Then here go to 3-finger screenshot option and you go to turn on this button, use 3-finger screenshot. Now go to any page for which you want to take a screenshot and with 3 fingers, any 3 fingers, just touch and hold on the screen. Screenshot is now taken. Once again I am showing. Yes, screenshot is taken. So in this way you can easily enable 3-finger screenshot in your phone Moto G04 if it's not working. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.